World market analysts at long last understand that ongoing monetary frameworks are defective and unsound. The world requirements a significantly more steady and solid cash. Blockchains were created by researchers on a calculation that could resolve the issues concerning maintainability and adaptability. Be that as it may, there actually stayed a few inquiries unanswered. On numerous occasions, the crossover agreement component of blockchain and different tokens rotating around it has likewise been in warm conversations. Before we dive into the Tezos cost forecast, let us view a portion of the interesting elements of Tezos. Notwithstanding, not very many organizations have really gone into tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchanging local area. Gigantic exchange charges and absence of straightforwardness are significant obstacles in deductively created stages. Numerous digital currencies neglected to review these issues. Digital currencies like Tezos has slowly infested the standard awareness and built up some decent forward momentum. It has stood the trial of times and will keep on doing so gave it sees a mass reception, despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain. Neither the source nor the beneficiary and not even the sum moved is in any capacity obvious to different clients on the organization. The whole structure of Tezos depends on zero revelation proof, accordingly permitting numerical consistency of the whole exchange method, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party associated with the exchange, putting the power eventually in the possession of the client. Tezos has customary overhaul plans, and that implies this convention is versatile to meet the fluctuated use instances of today and the unexpected use instances of tomorrow. Tezos can trap deceitful or false exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the first block. Tezos, the former journey. Similarly as with some other computerized money, Tezos is the subject of totally various perspectives. Certain individuals like Tezos, while others don't incline toward it much. XTZ is viewed as perhaps of the most discussed advanced cash. Certain individuals think the venture comes up short on approach plan and the disputable PR tricks of its pioneer. By the by, there are a great deal of other people who really have confidence in XTZ cost forecasts. Right now, XTZ cost is exchanging around $3.80, with a practically 3% climb throughout recent hours. The market capitalization of Tezos is $3,360,141,385 with $876,591,071.11 XTZ circling as of now. Since its commencement, the token has been contending hard areas of strength for and its opponent digital currencies. A few times in the year 2020, it had seen the most elevated heightening in cost around $4. Be that as it may, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to $1.03. By November 2020, the Tezos cost confronted a rectification and penetrated a functioning help level, yet shockingly pandemic appeared to be not to influence Tezos. Going against the norm, it showed a through and through various development. In June 2020, it kept on having a vertical swing, with Tezos cost exchanging around $2.07. During the start of the last year, the XTZ coin was exchanging beneath $2 with tremendous bullish force. Around last May, Tezos has denoted another high of $7.50 in the midst of huge unpredictability. From that point forward, it tumbled to the low of around $2.15 in the last mid-July. In any case, from that point forward, the XTZ has stamped continuous cost rise, and on October 4, 2021, it enlisted a record-breaking high of $9.18. Notwithstanding, in the wake of hitting an ATH, it confronted colossal negative strain and recorded ceaseless fall till day. Going by the specialized cost investigation, Tezos has shown huge potential reliably performing and recuperating the lost worth. XTZ today denotes a significant energy prompting a seriously bullish example helped areas of strength for buy. As indicated by the most recent long-haul Tezos cost figure, the coin cost will hit $5 by the center of 2022 and afterward $10 toward the finish of 2024. As per late long-haul estimates, the cost of Tezos will cross $13.58 toward the finish of 2022, $9.81 toward the finish of 2023, and $59.88 toward the finish of 2025. Tezos will then, at that point, be valued at $48.18 in 2027 and $168.68 in 2030. In view of our Tezos cost conjecture, the XTZ cost could stretch around $3.50 by 2022. The greatest cost may be around $4.34 and the base will be around $2.95 before the current year's over. In light of our gauges, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2027 is $12.151. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 217.76%. Tezos value expectation 2022. On the off chance that all market factors turn for Tezos, This cryptographic money cost will perform richly, scaling the top as aforementioned, violating all impediments throughout the following year. Despite the fact that it might show a few drowsy patterns, it would without a doubt give indications of fortune for its financial backers. Supported by hardy shrewd agreements, the Tezos cost may effectively contact $5.60 before the year's over 2022. Tezos Value Forecast 2023. The driving forces cut the usefulness behind Tezos digital money. Subsequently, over a time of, say, 3 years, the token is set to quit slacking with different coins to show up at a $6 minus $6.80 cost. Financial backers, nonetheless, need to look out for any unanticipated variables. No one could foresee the pandemic. Tezos Value Expectation 2024. Keeping in context, there are no boomerang impacts in the digital currency markets. Tezos is good to go to certify serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Tezos coin cost, taking it across all boundaries, scaling $8. Tezos Value Forecast 2025. A stunning confidence is likewise anticipated for the XTZ cost, principally because of its steady exhibition throughout the long term. Subsequently, this year will be a super mother lode for the cryptographic money market as the valued computerized resource will outperform all assumptions and flood in front of its significant obstruction level. Seeing an ascent more than ever, the Tezos cost makes certain to cross another untouched high of $10 from where it stands today. Tezos Value Forecast 2026. Presumably, a simple-to-utilize Tezos is great. It is more utilitarian and promising when it is not difficult to spend. Tezos laid out a quick, dependable organization and worked with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the XTZ with evaluating increment a lot higher to the new all-time high around the $12 mark. If the drive for practical crypto go on into 2026, the Tezos value changes might try and see a gigantic development in the following couple of years. Numerous crypto market coaches dread that it might see some high points and low points. Be that as it may, these worries may not hold for a really long time. As at last, the Tezos coin will settle to bring brave returns for its financial backers. Everything relies upon the group movement, expected mechanical forward leap, or significant level association. As concurred previously, Tezos needs to do a gigantic redesign in building organizations and joint efforts that increment perceivability and mix more assets into the venture, making it significant for every one of the clients and financial backers the same. It would be then expanding in cost complex. Pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. With directed world economies moving towards downturn, it is demonstrated certain that advanced monetary forms will lead the monetary realm. Unquestionably, Tezos will be one of the most critical rulers of this while, arising as a very powerful and lively power. Tezos will be the pick and selection of financial backers to trade, primarily on the grounds that it has endured over the extreme long haul. And furthermore, financial backers have found a variable of unwavering quality implanted in this